Hello students, welcome once again in online session of classroom. In our last lecture, I was telling you how the models will be used. Now today we shall study a different chapter, subject verb agreements. This chapter will help you in finding the error and writing the correct word at its place. Now you know very well that there are two types of subjects and two types of verb in English language. The first one is singular subject and the second one is plural subjects. You know very well that each singular subject has a singular verb. So I am going to tell you which subjects belong in the category of singular and which verb belongs in the category of singular. You can see singular subject written here like he, she, it, name and other type of singular things. Now these singular subjects have singular verb with them. Now how can we find out that which verb belongs in the category of singular? So see, each and every verb ending with s, जिस भी वर्ब के अंत में एस आता हो, ऐसी हर वर्ब सिंगुलर कैटेगरी के अंदर बिलोंग करती है. लाइक डज, इज, हैज़ एंड वॉज. These are singular helping verb, and if we are going to apply main verb, then see the main verb ending with s. अगर आप मेन वर्ब अप्लाई करते हैं तो उसमें भी देखिए कि उस मेन वर्ब का अंतिम वर्ड एस होना चाहिए. सो वर्ब एंडिंग विद एस belongs in the category of singular subject. Now see the exercise. Number 1, Ram blank is are writing a story. Number 2, she blank lives in a village. Now second rule, plural subject. You know very well that plural subject have plural verb. Now the subject like you, they, we and other types of plurals belong in the category of plurals, and they will have plural verb with them. So verb not ending with s like do, are, have and were belong in the category of plural helping verb. And when you are asked to apply main verb, you will find out the verb that not ends with s. ऐसी वर्ब जिसके अंत में एस ना हो वो प्लूरल वर्ब के रूप में काउंटेड होती है. ओके, नाउ see the exercise. For example, children blank were playing cricket. Second one, you blank eat mango. So in these two sentences the subjects are plural, so find the verb which does not have s as last letter. Now one more important note, that rest of the helping verb like did, had, will, shall, can, could, may, might, must, would, should, need to, dare to, used to, ought to, these all verbs belong in the category of both singular and plural, and we can apply them with both singular and plural subjects. Now see the third rule. When two singular subjects, now we have studied that singular subject has singular verb and plural subject have plural verb. Now see, if there are two singular subjects connect with each other with the word and both end, अगर दो singular कर्ता एंड या बोथ एंड से जुड़े हों, they become plurals. So apply plural verb with them. दो सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट एंड या बोथ एंड से जुड़े हों तो वो प्लूरल बन जाते हैं और उनके साथ प्लूरल वर्ब अप्लाई की जाएगी। एक्सरसाइज, राम एंड मोहन ब्लैंक इज आर प्लेइंग। नाउ सेकेंड, सीता एंड राधा ब्लैंक वॉज वर टॉकिंग। सो बोथ राम एंड मोहन become singular as they are linking with and. In the same way, Sita and Radha have become plural. Ram and Mohan have become plural and Sita and Radha have become plural. That's why you will have to apply plural verb here. Now see the next rule. Rule number 4. When two singular subjects connect with and both and if one of them has an article a, an or the before it, they become singular. So apply singular verb. देखो, किसी सेंटेंस के अंदर दो सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट हो और उनमें से किसी एक के आगे आर्टिकल ए, एन या द में से किसी का प्रयोग हो रहा है तो वो दोनों सब्जेक्ट सिंगुलर हो जाएंगे, मतलब वो एक ही व्यक्ति के बारे में बात करेंगे। और इन सच कंडीशन यू विल हैव टू अप्लाई सिंगुलर वर्ब। सी द एक्सरसाइज लाइक द पोइट एंड ड्रामेटिस्ट ब्लैंक वॉज वर एड्रेसिंग द पीपल, एड्रेसिंग द पब्लिक। नाउ इन दिस सेंटेंस देयर इज वन पर्सन हु इज बोथ द पोइट एंड द ड्रामेटिस्ट, मीन्स एक ही व्यक्ति है जो दोनों ही प्रकार के गुण, कवि के और नाटककार के गुण रखता है। नाउ सी द एक्सरसाइज एंड फिल इन द ब्लैंक, क्लिक द फोटो एंड सेंड इट टू मी ऑन माई व्हाट्सएप नंबर। सी द फर्स्ट वन, मनीषा ब्लैंक डज डू नॉट लाइक टी। Now the second one, people blank has caught the thief. The third one, we blank uses electricity in our everyday life. Now fourth one, mother and son blank are going to market. Fifth, gardener and farmer blank was working in farmer. Sixth, teacher blank has taken test today. Seventh, she and I blank are waiting for you. Eighth, he and Radha blank have done work. Ninth, the singer and dancer blank were performing on the stage. 10th, फार्मर एंड शॉपकीपर ब्लैंक के बाद टॉक्स टू ईच अदर। सो राइट द एक्सरसाइज एंड सेंड इट टू मी ऑन माई व्हाट्सएप नंबर। ओके, थैंक यू।